Definitely.
Okay. Okay. Hi. Hi, Radha. How are you?
I'm doing great. Yes, my day is going great overall. But yes, I went to the college today. So I feel another weather today. I'm feeling
Okay.
tired.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes, you told me that you won't be able to take session early in the morning or day. That's why,
yes.
at
Yes.
this time. Okay. So,
I'm
how
at
is your day so
4
far?
p.m.
What all you did?
My day is seriously going great. I did 4 session today
Okay.
in my college. Yes.
Okay. In your college, you had 4 sessions. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Means you are that kind of girl who don't want to waste time, even a single minute. Immediately after coming from college, you want to utilize in anyhow.
Yes.
Yeah, that's very great.
So
So would you
how are
mind
you?
introducing
How's your
yourself?
day?
Yeah, I'm too good, great. I was excited again to talk to you as we had our conversation, I think few days before. But as I told you, I have
Yes.
more to converse with you. That's why I have specially, invited you. Yeah.
Thank you so much for inviting me. And yes, I'm looking forward to our session today. And I think it is our best session. Maybe.
Yes, yes,
Let's
definitely.
see.
It will be. Yes. So please introduce a bit.
Okay, definitely. So, hi Viva, and thank you for inviting me today. And yes, my name is Radha. I hail from Uttar Pradesh and have a bachelor degree in commerce. And yes, right now I'm doing master's in economics, but my currently focus on my communication skills. And beside that, I used to be a player in my college duration. I play Malkam, and this is a regional state game of Madhya Pradesh. Beside that, if I talk about my hobbies, I love to listen music. I love to listen podcast, and yes, sometime I love to cook. So this is all about me.
Okay, as you told you love cooking. What do you like to cook? I though
Okay, I love.
I don't like cooking, but I am a great foodie. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. I love to cook Italian foods only,
Okay.
and like pasta, noodles with lots of veggies.
Okay. Yeah, actually my kids also, they are very much fond even of these things only. So,
Yes.
my husband is very much good at cooking regarding all these items, junk food and all. So I have left all these things over him. Now you take charge of
So what?
this because it's better, to
Yeah.
eat from outside. If, a person is very much frequent eating all these things, it's better to cook at home. And kids are, they do not get angry very easily to eat once in a while. They have to eat at regular intervals. So we are trying our best to cook maximum things at home.
Okay, great. So
Yeah.
what's your favorite? So
I
what's your
like
favorite food like?
uh, um, if you say if it is regarding healthy food, then I like South Indian very much. You can say dosa, sambar. Yes. And when it comes to junk, I like chow mein. Simple.
Okay, noodles. Yes, I love. We are in same page because like I love South Indian food a lot because
Yes.
it is healthy and it is easy to digest, I
Yes,
think.
yes, yes, yes. Its taste is just amazing. Along with that, you get nutrition also. It is very good to because every time we are purely vegetarian. Every time you are having chapati, rice, vegetable. Mainly in our home, mainly we until we people eat proper food, our hunger does not fulfilled. We have to eat proper food. So apart from that,
Ye-
we like making these things very much. We cook idli, dosa, all at home. Whether you say utpam, poha, we prepare everything at home. This day my whole day goes on. I pass my time this day. I hardly get time just because whole day I'm in the kitchen. Maximum time I'm in the kitchen. So in my free time, I try to take sessions and just busy with my making videos. I try to do this.
Yeah, you
Yes.
are doing great.
Yes.
Seriously how can you manage your time seriously?
Yes.
Because I know if my mama is also spending almost time in our kitchen, so I can feel you right now. So
Yes.
definitely you're doing great.
Yes, thank you. And if we eat something good, for our mind also feel fresh. Many times we feel depressed and don't feel like doing anything. In the meantime, if we cook something and eat something delicious, automatically we feel fresh. I have noticed this. Every time, instead
Mm.
of going outside and meet with friends, this is also a very good thing to refresh yourself. Be with your family members and enjoy that meal. That is also very refreshing. I
Okay,
feel
great,
sometimes.
great.
Yes.
So,
So,
so how is the weather over there? It is like
yes, it's
raining.
raining. Yes, it's raining. Yes, I was really expecting that power will go off, but thanks God, it did not happen. I was thinking I'll have to tell you that it'll take session another day, but it did not happen, anything like this.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
power
Like
is there.
because past few days here is also raining since
Yes,
two
yes.
days. But
Okay.
yes, go ahead. Sorry.
Yes, yes. Okay. It is raining today only. Yesterday there was a weather, cloudy weather, but it is raining today. In Delhi, it is raining
Mm.
heavily. I come to know from my
Okay, okay.
mother. It is raining since morning,
Oh,
yesterday morning. But we have experienced
okay.
rain today only. After all, this is the time of rain. If rain will not happen at this time, then at what time? Yes.
Definitely.
So same. I
Mm.
also started my YouTube channel last year, and few of my friends was also thinking along with me to start YouTube channel, but they could not start because they had so many ifs and buts in their mind. What if our channel would not go well, and if we could not do well? So, in this dilemma, they could not go forward and they did not open finally. So, but,
Okay.
I thought if I will also think like this, I will never be able to open. So, apart from, be at home whole day and doing household chores, I thought to open this and, experience something different. So, and yes,
Mm.
I have been learning a lot, and that is my main motto. I'm looking forward to learning only. I just want to learn
So,
as much as I can learn.
what do you think? Why are your friends not open the channel in YouTube? What's
Yes.
what's there in mind? Basically, what's the motto? They're not
Uh,
able to open the channel. Because
uh,
there's many reasons behind that. So, what's your opinion on that?
yes, actually, I was also, thinking over this. I feel that they might have some kind of insecurity. Like, if it will not go well, we will waste our time. Before doing anything, if you bring that insecurity, if you lose your confidence, how things will go well. I also had this thought before I open this that if I commit mistakes, if I make videos, if I make worse videos, then what will be other people opinion towards me? If we will keep thinking, about our mistakes and about our negativity, how will we go further? As we know that
Yes,
mistakes are the stepping stones of success. So I think, to
definitely.
start anything or to start anything new or go into any field, we have to bear with it that we have to start something new. We have to do this courageously. If we think like this, I don't think we can move forward. So I think this was the main reason they could not start. And today they say, yes, you did a right thing. We wish we had also opened this, but now it's too late. They have, joined some other stream and they are doing something else. They were also very much keen towards this language. So I feel if we are,
Okay.
it's not about this language, it's about everything. If you are doing anything,
Everything.
you should have that courage and confidence. Only with that confidence you can move forward and bring success in your life. What do you want to say?
Yes, definitely. I agree with you. Totally agree with you. Because like insecurity, like means like you are fear from anything, the lack of
Yes.
confidence, basically, and like we are humans. There are certain point of time we feel insecure from others. Some point of time, but there's so many types of insecurity. Even if you are facing lots of insecurity, like financial insecurity, emotional insecurities, and looks matter. People are comparing their life from others, then they're insecure. In terms of financial insecure, they are compare their life in money term, basically. If they are other are earning high, so they think they are happy and they are enjoy their life, basically. They are compare with ourselves because they are earning maybe not, they're low, but they are comparing. Many people are compare, they are earning a lot, then they are also comparing. Oh my god, he or she is earning a lot from me. the main point is people not satisfied with their things. They are comparing. And other thing, some people are compare with looks also. Many people I come across, they are not good, they are not happy with their looks. And they are also compare, oh, I'm looking ugly and I'm looking this kind of, I'm not able to manage my dressing sense. So they are comparing. Someone is bearing, someone is wear uh, mm, like good clothes, and then they are comparing because they are not wear. There are many things, and but if you can control it from initial stage, so that is good for you, because it, like when you are insecure, all these kind of things, so maybe your growth will be low. You're not able to grow in your life, and it harms in your mental and physical health also. So yes, some point of time we all are facing insecurity, but it in limited way. So this is my point of view. And nowadays people are, yes, people are insecure about so many things. And there's a lot of things I'm not able to share because the session is so so
Yes,
it's,
yes,
this is my
right,
point of
right.
view.
Yes, the basic thing is comparison. We should not do comparison. But it happens in everyone. Yes, there is a so much exposure of social media. There are so many shorts, videos where we see people, rising so much high, earning so much. So we start comparing. So I think instead of comparing, we can do one thing. If we want to compare, we can compare in a healthy spirit. If we want to do competition, let's say if we are competing with our friend, my friend has reached at a very high level, so I can compete with him in a healthy way. There should be a healthy competition, I think. If I want
Definitely.
to reach to someone's level, I can make my motto, my goal, that I have to reach to that person level. So this is my motive. We can make this as a motive also, instead of having jealousy or comparing every time. What are we doing this way? We are focusing not ourselves, we are not focusing on our talents, we are not focusing on improving ourselves. Rather, we are simply wasting our time, you know having jealousy and
Mhm.
comparing, and having lot of every time paying attention on that person. So I think we are just going on a wrong way. This all happen, and due to this we lack confidence also. When every time we think we are that person is superior to us, what will happen? We will lose our confidence simply, and then we will start lacking in
Definitely.
each and every field. So I think
Definitely.
there is, yeah.
Yes, this is, yeah, you are saying right, Viva. And how, like I told you, Viva, na, there's
Yeah,
no
sure,
problem
there's no problem.
because you're senior to me.
Yeah,
That's why.
it's okay. It's
Just
absolutely, we are
general.
on the same page. There's no problem.
Okay, okay. So yes, sometimes I also feel like social media also affect something, because nowadays people are posting on social media, then their middle class family and their other person are comparing their life from the social media also. So do you feel also like many people are facing this, especially youth, if we are talking about like my age people, and yes, they compare their life, how they able to manage and things, and how they earning. So that time people compare their life, and that build insecurity in their mind,
Yes,
in, and the perception is like, then they think negative,
yes, yes.
especially negative insecurity. Like there are two type of insecurity, maybe I am, in my point of view, I don't know if I'm saying right or no, please correct me when I'm saying wrong. There's a positive insecurity also, and there's a negative insecurity. Maybe positive insecurity, if we are compare in good terms, that you are saying, like if you are compare, like my friend is doing good, so I also compete with the good competition maybe. So that is a positive maybe. And negative, if you are comparing in their money level, like, oh, he's earning a lot, I'm not earning, you are sad and you are depressing yourself, and you create your negative comment and negative thoughts maybe. So maybe this is a negative insecurity. Positive is like you are comparing with good things, and negative you are comparing with the negative things. So
Yes,
is that
yes.
correct?
Yes, actually, first of all, if you are comparing something in a negative zone with some negativity, you
Hmm.
will never be able to success in life. It will never happen.
Mm,
I also got motivated with someone. That's how I opened my channel. If I also start feeling jealousy with that person, I would never be able to open my channel. So if it is in a healthy
yeah,
spirit, I don't think there is any kind of problem. You get the motivation. I think you must watch people who are doing so much good in their life. You get motivation to do something like that person. It depends upon your
yes,
perspective. How are you looking into the things? So I think for that
definitely,
also, if you are going to negative zone, you must replace your negativity with positive thoughts. For this, I think
definitely.
your environment should be like this. And for this, self-talk is also, I think, very necessary. If you feel like that
Yes,
you are, surrounded with so many negative thoughts, you should, talk to yourself. Like
yes,
if some thought is, overpowering you, you should replace it with some good thoughts. This is the very good way,
of
I think.
course.
Whenever I also get depressed and surrounded with these kind of negative thoughts, I also, it's not good every time to, exchange your thoughts with everyone. Sometimes I, feel like sit alone and, start talking to myself, and I feel relaxed a lot. So I think this is
It is
also a
good.
good way.
Yes,
Yes, yes. And regarding looks that you talk about, I think if a person, I have seen many times. Yes, please go on.
I want to ask one thing. Like, I told that there's a positive and there's a negative insecurity. Maybe there's a positive insecurity is nothing like that. Maybe
Yes,
is
yes,
I'm
yes.
correct or not? Because
Yes, because
insecure. If you are
insecurity is
insecure,
insecurity. It cannot be,
insecurity.
yes. Yes, yes. Insecurity means
I should
it is
correct.
considered as negative, I think. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
because I thought like there's a why I'm feeling positive insecurity. There's nothing like that. Sorry, there's
Yes,
nothing like
yes,
that.
yes, yes. It's nothing like negative. Insecurity is itself treated as a negative sense.
Negative sense. Yes.
Yes, yes.
So please
If
continue.
yes, that you were talking about looks. I have seen that in my teaching days, there were many, not many, few girls who were not who were not much good looking, but when they would enter the class, they would fill a positive environment by their talks or by their presence. So at that time, looks does not matter. I think we should build our instincts, our qualities in this way that we can hide. And there's no need to hide these things. Whatever God has given us, that is the best. We should always feel like we are the best. We love ourselves. So I think these things should not, disturb you in any way. If you are good from inside and if you are a good person, there is no need, I think. A true person will judge you from your qualities, from your,
Definitely.
instincts, not by your looks. Looks matters only for few
Definitely.
days, nothing. Yes,
Definitely, you're saying right. And there, but there is a stereotypes. There's a
yes,
one stereotype. If you are bright in color, you are beautiful, and if you are in dark, so you are ugly. You are not that kind of beautiful.
mhm,
This is a stereotype of our society, and
yes,
many of
yes,
people are facing right now.
yes,
So that's why I think people are insecure, and many people are feel insecure. I mean, many people are facing this problem also because this is a belief system from the past, and this is a I can say that this is a stereotype. So like people are facing this problem. That's why they feel so much insecure when they comparing their looks from others. I also believe look doesn't matter if you are very kind, if you are so polite, and you know how to manage your behavior to others, how to converse your thoughts to others. So that is beauty of your looks because beauty doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you are your behavior is bad. So how can I talk to you? You are like you are so beautiful, but you're behaving like cheap. You down others in front of others people. So how can I talk to you? Does
yes,
that time beauty doesn't matter? So basically, so many people thought like if you are that's why they compare their things from
mhm.
others. So I believe, and many people face these stereotypes things. So do you also believe like the stereotypes happened
Yes,
in
actually,
nowadays also?
yes, I have seen in actually videos. Like, I have seen I have heard their experiences. Just due to their dark looks, they have achieved a lot. They did not take their looks as a negativity. They took it as their, strength, and they have achieved a lot. I was seeing a video in which she was saying that, people bullied me a lot just due to my, dark looks. And I made my dark looks strength, and slowly and steadily I reached to a level. Sometimes people take these things so hard in their life, so strongly in their life, that they achieve to a level. So I think sometimes it is good for your growth also, that I have seen only in videos actually. And in my teaching days, as I told you, there were few girls who were very, very appealing. Just, as they the way they interacted with the teacher and with their peers, it was so soothing that everybody wanted, to make friends. Everybody wanted to be friends of those few girls. So I think at that time looks does not matter at all. And I think the people who are, not very genuine, I think that is visible on their faces. They don't need to do any
Yes.
action. I can notice this very easily. I think these things does not matter,
Yes.
at least for me. Doesn't, not at all.
Okay. You're a
Yeah.
good psychologist. I think good
Yeah.
psychological को क्या कहते हैं? I don't
Uh,
know what we are
psychologist.
psychological.
Yeah.
Psychologist. Yes, you're a good psychologist.
Yeah.
You
Actually,
can easily read the
I
face.
have good intuition power. I come to know like what is going to happen, or I come to know not too much, but I get the idea regarding this. It happened with
I
me.
believe in intuition. I also
Yes,
believe in intuition.
yes, yes. It is
Definitely.
said the people who are too much emotional, they develop these intuitions very easily. And I
Oh,
possess too much
yes.
of emotions. I'm trying to work on it.
I also.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
seriously, I'm very emotional kind of person. If anyone scold me and if anyone disrespect me, seriously, I cry a lot.
but
Because I'm very happy kind of person. If someone is talking to me in rude way, so initially I speak and I spoke very, so like very comfortable, and not I'm just repeating same. I'm not doing same thing. Yeah, I'm talking to in rude way,
hmm,
but I'm very different kind of person. Like easily happy and I'm easily cry. I'm that
okay.
kind of person.
So do you think
Yes,
that over
and
emotions is good? As means, as we have heard that excess of everything is bad. What do you say, that over emotions are good, or is it okay to deal in life?
it is. I think it is bad and it is good both,
No.
because sometimes if you are going through something, you can easily if you are easily I can say that what I you
You,
easily you can go with your emotion can I don't have a
catch
word
the
right now.
vibes. Okay. Vibes you want to
Yeah,
say.
you can catch the vibe, yes. And if you are too much emotional, at that time you are not able to speak in front of people, because you think that if I I share the emotions to other to me what the others think. So yes, emotional and over emotional is good for you. It's your it's up to you basically how can you manage. But yes, I sometimes I control my emotion in front of others, because I'm not share my emotion to others sometimes, because I feel it is my private thing. If I feel from something, if I facing from something, so I handle with my own. But if I'm facing a lot problem, so I can share with my families and with my close friends. So yeah, it is good because you can control your things in your own way. And yes, basically it's good, and sometimes it's bad also. So it's
Okay.
depend on totally.
But don't you think
Yes,
that over emotional people get hurt very easily, and it takes time for them, to
definitely.
overcome? So I was
Hmm.
asking you that is it good, because emotional people get hurt very much easily. Do you resonate with this?
Yeah, definitely. And yes, I implement on myself. So because I easily hurt with others, not others, but with my close friends only. because if I give 100% to others, so I also believe they give 100% to me, because I'm very good friend. I believe that. And if I because in friendship I give my 100% in everything, not friendship. And yes, sometimes if someone is not doing I sometimes I expected he or she do something special, but if they are not doing, so I feel bad sometimes. But nowadays I feel everyone is busy in their life, but only few people in my life. I consider those are my close friends. So that time I feel sad and easily break my heart. But okay, sometimes it's good for you also. That. So this is my point of view on this uh, thing.
Okay.
So what
Yes.
is your opinion on that?
Yes, I ask you this question because I'm also actually I'm struggling with this thing. I would say this a struggle for
Okay.
me because I'm even too much emotional like you. So and it takes me a lot to overcome. If anybody, something happens to me, and I think I take it, having emotions is a very good thing. But over emotions are sometimes
Yes.
you put you back somewhere in life because then you could not move forward every time you are thinking over and over those things. So I feel that sometimes you should take
Oh,
decisions from your mind also instead of taking every time using your heart.
maybe maybe
Sorry.
you are overthinker, because I am very overthinker. I am very overthinker. You are overthinker.
Yes, we sail in the same boat, we can say.
I have
So,
some traits. I don't
yeah.
know. Yes, I have some traits because I am overthinker. I'm very
Yes,
joyful person. Maybe you are like that. I can
yes,
feel you.
yes. You are very much right. Yes, I think I feel. Do you feel like you should have work on it, or is it fine for you over your emotions? Do you feel, or you are fine with
Overthinking.
it? Over emotions, like, do you have to work on it, or is it fine with you?
Over.
You can deal with it.
I can deal with it. Like
Okay.
I can say that because because I'm not mm, feel bad with others people. Only few people in my life, those who are my close ones, that if they are doing wrong something, that time I affected,
Mhm.
but they are not doing. So I feel okay. I'm happy
Yeah.
because if other people are saying something, yes, I feel bad for one for a 2 days, and I let them go. Okay, though you are not my private ones, so that is okay. But yes, I feel bad only for a few and 2 days, for a 1 and 2 days. But if my close ones are doing that things, so seriously, I cry a lot. Seriously, cry a lot. But yes, I'm blessed with my close ones. Like they are very kind and they are very like jolly, and the behavior, they are very pure. I think I can say that. All my close friends, touch wood.
Yes, and I have also observed that people with so much of emotions are very much, kind-hearted. I have few of my friends, they are very much kind-hearted. They always think of others, before they think of themselves. So I think yeah, you are right. There are pros and cons, both of over emotions.
Definitely.
Yes.
And sometimes you have to control on like in professional places like meeting and presentations, because sometimes if someone is scolding me and scolding someone, like teachers are scolding, so that time I try to control my emotion because I'm very easy to cry. So that time I control my emotion in that places because the environment is different. So yes, I try to control my emotion sometime. So
Yeah.
definitely.
And this is the only thing that I have started doing meditation. I feel I have improved a lot. I feel that meditation is the best way so that you can work on yourself wherever you feel that you are lacking. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy a lot. My blessings are always with you. Have a blast today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'm feeling great because the session is going great today. I even don't know because how time it passed.
Yes.
And thank you so much. connecting me. Like I, you give me a chance.
No, no.
Thank you so much.
Likewise, same here.